The success is purely depending on the people who have been working with Al-Futtaim Logistics and then the management team. Our main focus on the initial stage to drive the operational efficiency, make the customer satisfaction score to increase it, and employee engagement. So these were the three main criteria which we started, where by the time we were able to achieve it, then we looked at the business expansion. So the customer sees us as we are adding value to their business. That's how we started to grow slow one by one. If you look in the last 5 to 7 years, we have expanded to a fold of 4x. And all the success mainly because of the people who have been working with Al-Futtaim and the support of the customer who trusted us the maximum. As a head of this particular division, the main thing is that we are going through the digital transformation, which is very important. Even though we have I segregate my activity into three. One is the automotive, one is the warehousing part, and third one is the last mile or a B2B delivery. So we have yard management and then we have a warehouse management and we have a transport management. What we want to do, these three as a separately working as an island today. So I want to integrate that so that it goes to the next generation, the digital platform, whereby the customer can see, for example, an automotive customer order his car, he can see the flow of his vehicle from the port till his house where it goes. So he can see the flow, how the vehicle goes out is there. So that kind of transparency and the digital changes which we have been looking to do that in the coming months and year. We don't have time here. I want to do it in weeks and months. Definitely the data is very critical. Without the information data, you cannot do that. We within Al-Futtaim Logistics, we have a team of people who have the data information. They are able to analyze the data, give a best result to the management team and to me so that we can do the changes. For example, when we know the customer's behavior changes, ordering pattern, we were able to change the warehouse configuration so that the fast moving item can be placed in the better position so that it can be picked up very fast. Like we call as the sales product management. So what happens, it will enable the customer order. We can pick it up very fast and deliver to the customer. We have been talking previously as 4 days, 7 days, delivery. Today we are talking about the same day delivery. And then we are looking at a prospect when a customer order, within 3-4 hours we can do it. All this we can happen only if we have information, big data. And then this big data we have been able to collect into that, which can be useful for the artificial intelligence AI tool to give the best result, where it push the information to us. So the technology which we have done and changes to the technology are a big success factor for us. And definitely whoever is there, information, big data, artificial intelligence will be the future. That doesn't mean the people will not be changed. People way of thinking will change. It will take them to the next level of thinking. It will enable not only the business, it also give the customer what the changes they can do on a priority basis.